Hi guys, welcome back again to Sewing Princess. So for today's tutorial, I will try to transform this top into a summer trendy crop top. So without further ado, let's get started. So first, I will make a off-shoulder smock top. I don't know what the length of it, but I just cut it to my preferred length. Next, hem the raw edges by folding it twice and sew it with a straight stitch. Now, after sewing, I cut a pieces of elastic and use it for shearing. And sew it with a zigzag stitch. Sorry for this part because it doesn't focus my camera very well. But just tip on shearing, just stretch your elastic while sewing it with a zigzag stitch. So finally, struggle is real when it comes to shearing because it takes a lot of time. So I forgot to mention before that my elastic is 1 inch wide apart. And voila, this is the final smoke top. Just finishing up by removing the excess thread. And then I seam rip the arm of the top and use it as my off shoulder. And then I cut 2 pieces of elastic according to the size of my arm and sew it with a zigzag stitch. Don't forget to stretch the elastic. Then same process to the other side. Then attach them together by sewing it with a zigzag stitch. And this is the final off-shoulder smock top. So next, for the second top, hem the raw edges by folding it twice and sew it with a straight stitch. Then after sewing, same process to the armhole. I pinned it first so they stay together and hem the raw edges by folding it twice and sew it again with the straight stitch. Ten ten chug 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 chug. Then I lay it flat and I shorten the armhole because it's a little too wide for me. Because my boobie is showing up, so I have to sew it with a straight stitch. Hem the edge with a zigzag stitch right away. And trim the excess fabric. And lastly, I add an elastic under my bust and sew it again with a zigzag stitch. Now that this is my transformation, I added my signature in my clothing line, Robin 26. And this is the final second top. I hope you enjoyed watching this tutorial, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!